Max out again at Hogan Lake.
What's today's date?
Today is the 20th, I think, 3rd.
Sure. Alright guys, here we go. Max out again. Lost a big one.
So what's up, Tiny? Oh, Tiny?
Lost a big one. Lost a big one, man.
Lost a big one?
That guy, man. So bad about that.
I wasn't gonna get Hope.
He said he would let me kick his balls, but I was like, I'm alright. It's alright, dude. And this time we actually got the good side though.
Tight, no, so you look like big.
Look like big.
Yeah, look like big.
Fit mine?
Yeah, fit my.
Fit mine. Right here, man. I'm about having a fish.
What? Who's that right there?
Frank
What's your name?
That's some J-Lo. Right here, guys.
Look at all these fish right here.
Good eating right here.
手吃蛋了，莫觉得。
Yeah, 50.
Damn, that's a lot, bro. Man, where'd you guys go fish at and shit?
Hogan Lake, right here.
Delta.
Hogan Lake. Time of the year.
What got Delta?
Tiny, how many fish you gotta clean?
50.
Damn.
Good shit, good
Hey,
shit.
hey, take me next time too, dude. Stop being, messed up and shit. Tell me where the spot is at.
You know how Hmong people do it. They don't max out, they don't go home. This YouTube right here, guys.
Alright, our video's getting in right now because we gotta clean some fish. I lied, I'm in it too. 50 fish, yup. Later.